Hi everybody, here's a short video on how to use Flight Simlab's Spotlights add-on. It's freeware now. Yeah, I bought it 1 week before it became freeware. Oh, you win some, you lose some. But I don't regret it, it's a great program. There is a manual on it, I've not read it apart from I got stuck on one thing. I looked on YouTube, there was no tutorial videos. I use it, I get asked questions about it, hence this video. Everything I've learned is pretty much self-taught. Yeah, the main reason I used it was for this aircraft, the Feelthere Embraer 175 or 170 to 195 series. I do have here a VC Enhancement, which is on AvSim. It installs an updated overhead panel. I think it's fantastic. Textures are really good on the overhead panel. It adds this functional button here for dome lighting. As you can see, that's off. Okay, yeah, well, let's get this out of the way before we can start. Yeah, this looks like crap. Sorry, can't think of any other word. This autopilot panel, it's absolutely terrible. So for me, it's not the fact that it's 2D, and that is bad, but the colour just stays this bright grey. And there is a guy in one of the Facebook groups updating the textures, and I think he's managed to be able to correct this texture. Okay, yeah, it's 2D, it looks awful. Well, the colour, if it was dark it would look fantastic. Rest of the cockpit looks great. If we turn on the dome lighting, I think that looks very good, in my opinion, for an FSX aircraft. On sale for about £2. Sorry, it's about £12, but anyway, it's nothing. I think it's great. Yeah, it says 170 here. That can be changed, but I'm in a 175. Yeah, I think the aircraft is incredible for the price. A lot of fun. Systems are great. FMC is fantastic. So many functional pages here. I've got to grips with it pretty much. There's a great tutorial on the E175 with Feelthere. A great PDF tutorial flight. Just follow that, it's fantastic. Anyway, back to the subject. Spotlights. Why do we need them? Because this looks quite good, but wait for it. Taxi lights and landing lights. Let's just switch views here. There we go. Okay, taxi lights, acceptable. A bit dark, but acceptable. On, off. There we go. But this is the real letdown of the aircraft. Even with this VC texture enhancements, wait for it. Yeah, fantastic. Thanks for that, brilliant. Okay, let's get those off before I get pain in my eyes. Yeah, so that's basically why we need them. Oh, bye, whoever you are. Yeah, it's landing lights are pretty much unusable. Taxi light is almost unusable. So I've put in some spotlights. Got my profile installed. Here we go. Landing lights. Looks good. Taxi light. Even better. Now I've got some spotlights in the VC, which are not working. Brilliant. Alright, yeah. I need to adjust them. Well, that's the whole point of this video. It's kind of good that happened. No point in me just showing you them working. The whole point is to show you how to install them and edit them. Anyway, let's get back to the outside view quick. I mean, that looks to me pretty good, in my view. Closing down. I think that's really quite good. Yeah, the landing lights do extend out a little bit too much to the side, but that was a bit of a problem. I found that when I extended them forwards, it made a horrible texture on the outside of the aircraft, which I didn't like. But I think that's a busy place. Glad your hull managed to rotate on time. I think that looks pretty good. Very usable. Let's switch. Get the little interface open again. Lift them off. Taxi light. Looks great. Landing lights, even better. Yeah, you don't have to keep going to this menu here. What you can do in P3D is just down in the bottom there's this little arrow. Hit that, and then you can activate them from here. Yeah, I know. I do like to activate lights from this, but it's a 12-pound aircraft. We don't get everything we want, so that's it. Yeah, you activate them here. You don't activate them here. So you can see, if you're flying along, you just have to minimize the window. If you need the lights on or off, click the little interface, turn them off here. There you go. Good. Oh, that's the dome light. Yeah, they're done. So the internal lights are not working. So taxi light on and off. There we go. Brilliant. So that's how they look. Next video I'll set it up without any profile installed and show you how to create them, or how I did them. It takes a little time, but I actually enjoy doing it. It's kind of cool, and you can get everything exactly how you want them. Okay, here we go. End of this video. I'll make part 2, how to install them and edit them.